What is up YouTube? Welcome back, it's your technoboy again, and today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test the sound of that Yamaha AV receiver 2067. The complete package, the YHT 1810, and well, you have seen the sound test before, but in today's video what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test the loudness of it. The max volume of this thing is at 90, I think, so I cannot go to 97 because now it's kind of night time and I may get a noise complaint. So but I'm gonna go as much as high level I can. So let's start now. Let's test the sound without the subwoofer. Well, at 75 the sound is pretty loud. The room is filled with sound and it's too loud for me as I'm listening to it right now in person. And I don't know about my camera, how much good is picking up the sound, but let me tell you that I'm getting a pretty good amount of bass from this channels, which is kind of surprised. You can see the channels are over there very tiny, and they have, I think, 2.5-inch driver in each enclosure, in each channel. So the 2.5-inch driver, 5 drivers are giving very loud sound and good bass, which I didn't even expect from this tiny woofers. So now let's test the same songs again with the subwoofers. kind of deaf now because it was too loud, man. It's just 75 and it's too loud. I cannot take in much more than that right now in this room. So that was the, what to say, loudest sound test video of this Yamaha YHT 1810 home theater system. And hope you're gonna like this video. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.